I'm that girl, Mimi. Yeah, oh yeah. And yes, it's been a long time coming but we're here now. Opo, alam ko po ang tayo hindi nag-vlog. Opo, kasi sobrang nag-busy po ako. And now we're better than ever, you know what I'm saying. And since this is our comeback po, ay ginawa natin tong special. Kasi ang raming nagre-request dito, mga 7. Mga 7 po nag-request dito sa akin na isama ko daw po siya in one of my vlogs daw po. Opo. And syempre, malakas kayo sa akin. Huwag na po tayo magpatumpik-tumpik. Opo, let's all welcome our Olympian pole vaulter, EJ of Vienna!
Hey,
hello, Sir EJ!
Thanks for having me.
Hey, bro! How are
Hey,
you?
bro.
Hey! Kamusta ka, Sir EJ?
We're good, we're good. Happy to be here.
Yes, thank you for being here. Alam ko pong marami talagang nag-request, promise. Viral
Mga
yung...
7, right?
7. Tapos yung nanay mo ata, 8 na sila,
8
Sir
na,
EJ.
okay. Sounds good, sounds good.
Kasi nakita mo ba yung clip natin nag-viral from Eliza's vlog?
Yeah.
Ano bang type mo daw?
Run it up.
Grabe ang OA. Dahil doon, gusto ko sana isama ka and to get to know you more.
Yes, for sure. And it's my pleasure. I would love to be here.
Bakit nagpe-pleasure? Ay, iba ba yun? Hindi, normal yun. Normal ba sinasabi yung mga gano'n? And ayun nga, guys. So, alam mo ba gagawin natin today, Sir EJ?
More or less, I guess.
Okay.
What's the thing?
So, kasi nakita namin yung vlog ni Julia tsaka ni Joshua. Ako si Joshua, sir. Ikaw si Julia.
Sounds good.
Ang gagawin natin ay Lie Detector Challenge! Luling na yung pasok! So ito po, meron po tayo ditong lie detector. Hindi ko alam kung totoo ito. Na-try mo na ba ito, Sir EJ, before?
Not yet.
Okay, so ako kasi na-try ko siya parang 2019 pa with my family. And mababa kasi ang pain tolerance ko. For sure si Sir EJ, matas ang pain tolerance. Gawa ng mga kung ano-anong pinagagawa mo sa buhay mo, Sir EJ.
Yun nga eh.
So kaya mo siguro ito, Sir EJ. Anong kinatatakutan mo? Kinakabahan ka ba or what?
Hindi ko alam kung gagana. Makapal yung kayo. No joke.
Baka ngayon basira pa yung lie detector sa kapal ng mga ano ni Sir EJ, kaka-pole vaulting mo, opo. And yes, so magtatanungan lang tayo, Sir EJ, ng mga question. So kapag daw po nag-false, o ibig sabihin nagsinungaling po kayo, Sir EJ, eh parang, manginginig po kayo. So ready ka na, Sir EJ?
Let's go.
Okay, let's get it!
Skirt!
Drink your water, bitch! So okay, itry natin, Sir EJ, sa'yo. Okay, sa'yo.
Sige, let's do it.
Okay. So let's turn it up. Okay. Sinadikit ko. Yaw!
Umidikit nga eh.
Yeah. Kasi Sir EJ nga, kapag di nakadikit, pag nagulat ka, tatalsik ka. Oo. So dapat iganto siguro natin para ma-secure. Okay. So, let's ask some question. Nagagandaan ka ba sa akin, Sir EJ?
Yeah, you're a very beautiful person.
Wow! Ayan, tignan natin kung ikaw nag-lie, Sir EJ. Itutumba ko to.
Tagal pala, kaya pala nakakaba.
Kaya nga. Wala palang basis yun. Nagka-calibrate pa lang, Sir EJ.
swerte.
Practice! The tension. Pampahype lang ng tension, Sir EJ. Thank you, Sir EJ. Meron, Sir EJ? Meron. Okay. So, nagsisinungaling ka, Sir EJ.
Grabe. Accurate ba to?
Hoy, ako rin
Ikaw
yata
naman.
yan.
Ikaw naman. Ikaw
sige.
naman.
Wait lang, Sir EJ! Ano ba ito? Sabi ko, magmukbang na lang tayo eh.
Same question.
Okay.
Okay, so nagugwapo ka ba sa anak?
Ala! Sir EJ Hoy, Sir EJ. Ay, wala pa ako sagot! Oo naman, Sir EJ, you're a very handsome boy. Go. Ready ako. I was born ready, Sir EJ.
So, nagsisinungaling ka?
Hindi, kasi practice lang.
Okay,
yun.
practice.
Oo.
Okay.
Tension eh. Baka nafe-feel niyang may tension talaga tayo. Oo. Let's get it. Okay.
Let's do.
Okay. First question! Dun, dun, dun. Are you happy to cold? To cold? Lamig. Ang lamig mo naman, Sir EJ. Are you happy to be cold as the pambansang jowa? Kasi alam mo, nakakatawa sa Twitter, ang tawag na sa'yo, Sir EJ, ay pambansang jowa. Okay.
Oh, shoot.
Tinatanggap mo ba yun?
Ano ba ibig sabihin ng pambansang jowa?
So, pambansang jowa, I think yung mga classification and characteristic mo, pasok sa pagiging jowa ng everyone. Oo. Tangkad, mabait, sporty, matalino. I think yun yung mga meron ka.
Matalino? How do you know?
Nagre-research ako, you graduated from Chiang Kai-shek.
Yeah.
Yeah, and alam mo mga classmate ko nung college from Chiang Kai-shek, magagaling sa math.
Oversimplification yun.
So, bobo ka ba, Sir EJ?
Hopefully
Yun ang
not.
tanong, bobo ka ba?
Hopefully not. Try natin.
Ito, Sir EJ. Okay, sa'yo na tawagin kang pambansang jowa.
I don't mind. I don't
Okay.
mind. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Ready? Oh, wow! So, tinatanggap mo na pambansang jowa ka. Pero actually, there's nothing wrong about it.
It's not like a bad thing.
Yeah.
Also. I think it's okay.
Yeah, tsaka parang hindi naman ibig sabihin na tinanggap mo yun, mayabang ka na. I think talaga, kasi yung mga type talaga ng mga Filipinos, like matangkad, chinito, moreno, ay talagang nasa iyo, Sir EJ, nasa iyo na ang lahat. Go, Sir EJ, may tanong ka ba sa akin?
My turn.
Okay.
So, which do you prefer? Chinitos or morenos?
Pwede both. Hindi, yun talagang type ko talaga, Sir EJ, chinito moreno. Kahit masama ugali, basta chinito moreno. Akin na yan! Mine! Mine na yan! Mine! Hindi, syempre gusto natin yung mabait at may pera. Hindi, baka mabash na naman po tayo po. Pero for me talaga, mas malakas kasi yung dating sa akin, Sir EJ, ng moreno.
Really? Nice one.
Nice one. I don't lie, I always spill the truth. Yeah. Sa mga morenos dyan, paki-DM na lang po ako. Tsaka yung mga requirements nyo, kung magkaano ba per month. Kimi lang, Sir EJ. Okay, Sir EJ, next question. Ako na si Tito Boy. Ito, medyo personal to, Sir EJ. Naisip po ba ako after nating mag-shoot from the last vlog?
For sure, lagi na ikwento ni Alyssa.
Sila, kung ano-ano mga pinagsasabi sa akin ni Alyssa, hindi.
No, all good things naman. All good things. So,
thank you. We miss you, Lai. Dapat actually andito siya. Andiyan siya! Charis, hindi. Sabi niya, gusto niya sana pumunta kaso nga, may training daw sila. Good luck sa'yo, Alay! We miss you. Ayan, okay. So, naisip pala ako ni Sir EJ.
Okay.
Hindi ka na, Sir EJ? Ako nga. Sir EJ! Ito naman ako iniisip, Sir EJ. Ang dami naman pwede isipin.
Yung energy mo, like, even now, like, you see.
Okay. Nahahawa ka ba ng energy ko, Sir EJ?
Yeah.
Okay.
Naantok pa ako kanina.
Gising na. Parang gising ka na for 24 hours because of my energy, Sir EJ. Yeah. Dahil pala, nanood ako ng Olympics.
Oh, pwede.
Oo nga, next time, pagpagana mo.
Yeah. For sure, maririnig tayo from the whole crowd.
Okay!
Did you like me when you first met me?
Alam mo, hindi kasi ako mabilis ma-fall, Sir EJ.
That's good.
Siguro mga 2 days, ganyan. Give me 2 days, mag-fall na ako sa'yo. Mag-good morning ka lang. Hindi. Parang matagal po ako ma-fall. Pero nakukyutan ako in the first meeting. Parang ganon. So ako, nakyutan naman talaga ako sa Sir EJ. Kasi parang nung vlog namin with Lai, sobrang how do you eloquent.
Oh, wow.
Hindi ko kasi alam ko lang talkative. Badal-dal, ganyan. Para nakakatuwa yung banter niya ni Alyssa. You know what I'm saying? So, oo naman. Bakit naman hindi, Sir EJ? Yeah.
Thank you.
Ayoko na.
See, I'm distracted. Oh, you see?
Okay.
You're good.
Okay, ayan. Next question. Are you... naglalak joke sa vlog na to. Nakakatawa. Are you funny girls your type?
What?
Are funny girls your type?
Wouldn't hurt, of course. I think so, yeah. Di naman siguro like yun lang. But of course, it's nice, you know. You get a laugh out of each other. Yeah. I think it's good.
Karina, di ba tawa tayo ng tawa?
Yeah, actually.
Nakakatawa yung banter natin. Sir EJ, aminin mo. Okay, may chance. Para may chance tayo dito. Sir EJ, wag mo naman ganun. Sorry.
Hindi na kaya i-contain eh.
Okay, bababaan ko sa EJ. Are funny girls your type?
Yes, I guess, yeah.
Okay. Pero sa relationship, Sir EJ, are you the more funny or the other way around?
I think I am funnier. I think so.
Yeah.
I would like to believe.
Yeah, I thought so. Liars. So gusto mo yung mas funny ka, I guess.
I guess. I'll take that. Nice save. Thank you.
Mom, got you, bro. Got you. Oo. And I think with girls also, di ba gusto rin nila mas funny naman. Kasi parang to be honest, nakaka-inlove talagang humor, Sir EJ. Aminin mo.
Oh, I said smart, sir.
Yes.
You need to be smart to be funny, I guess.
Yes. Kaya nga ako, minsan, y is equal to mx plus b. Sobrang funny ko. Sobrang smart. Alam mo ba yung...
Sorry.
Nakakainis, Sir EJ! Alam mo ba yung y is equal to mx plus b?
No.
Huy, it's the yata to slope. I'm going to sleep. And then, promise may ganon. I didn't engineer myself, ha? I fashion, pero alam ko yung Y is equal to MX plus B.
You're eloquent in that side of things.
I'm eloquent, smart, funny, I'm everything. Ewan ko sa'yo, ba?
All in one,
Hindi mo
let's go.
nakikita? Weird, ha? Ilan mga exes mo, if you don't mind, Sir EJ?
Mahirap.
Parang marami.
Hindi marami. Like, how do you which one counts as an ex and how's like...
I think it can be counted as 1, 2, 3. It's Sir EJ. If naging kayo, kung may relationship talaga and label, I think yun ang matatawag na ex. Yun ang sa akin, ha?
I would say serious. I would say 3.
3,
Yeah,
okay.
3.
Have you ever broken up with someone through text?
No, I don't think so. I don't think so.
Okay. Okay.
But someone
okay.
broke up with me through text.
So sila?
Yes,
Yeah, okay.
not me.
Ano masasabi mo sa kanya ngayon?
I hope she's doing good.
Ang bait talaga ni Sir EJ. Grabe. Ang bait ni Sir EJ. Kung ako yan, sana yung kanin nyo may itlog ng ipis. Sabi sa'yo. Lie.
What's your ultimate love language?
My ultimate love language is money. Hindi. Ako personally, si EJ, kala ko dati, touch.
Okay.
Pero as I mature, parang I believe na parang quality time, Sir EJ.
Agree.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's the best one.
Ay, totoo ba?
I think so.
Okay. Parang for me, parang service also can be best.
Your ultimate love language?
Is quality time.
Okay, quality time. Not touch.
Not touch. Before touch. Touch. By touch. Wow!
Okay.
Pero ikaw, si EJ, what's your love language?
Time, yeah. Spending time with your loved ones. I think
Yeah.
that's, yeah.
Yeah.
Especially for you, you're a very busy person.
And
so,
also
you know,
you.
yeah, the time that you spend with them, I think that's the most important.
Yeah, parang mas may ano siya, bigat kapag
Yeah,
you
value.
make time sa sobrang busy mo. Diba?
For sure.
Okay, hindi, di ba lima yun, Sir EJ? So, i-rank mo yung sa'yo. So, what's the best for you?
Okay, what are the 5 love
So,
languages?
touch, service, like this. Si Eliza, yun ang love language niya, service. Service, quality time, gift giving, words of affirmation.
So you want me to rank it?
Yes.
So I think the lowest would be gift giving.
Kasi,
I mean, of course, it depends on the gift that you're giving, but still, it's just a material thing. I'm not saying it's not important, but it's not, for me, at least for me, it's not a priority. Next would probably be words of affirmation, I guess. Service, I would say. Service, touch, then time.
time. Yeah.
Yours?
From the list, yeah. Ako, parang gift giving. Ginaya ko na sa'yo.
Yeah, okay.
Hindi, pero totoo, it
Yeah.
makes sense kasi sometimes yung mga material things, kaya siyang mabili ng pera mo, pero it doesn't mean na may equivalent siyang emotions to it.
Yeah, may tao na may 100, tapos may tao na may piso lang siya. Yung 100, nagbigay ng piso. Then yung piso lang yung meron siya, piso yung binigay sa'yo. Like, who gave more? Like, in you know, in a grander spectrum of things.
Ang galing, ang ganda nun, Sir EJ. Hindi, promise, totoo nga. Tapos, ang hirap rin eh. Touch siguro, touch. It doesn't mean naman pag touch talaga, it's like sexual thing nga. Hindi. Kunwari, na-enjoy mo lang yung magkatabi yung braso nyo, parang parati kayo magkasama, ganon. Ako okay lang kasi na-realize ko rin, sorry, nagmasyado na ako sharer, Sir EJ. Na-enjoy ko rin kasi yung time ko for myself. So, kahit wala siya, parang okay lang rin ako.
Nice.
Parang ganon. Pero wala pang siya, ha? Wala pang siya.
Still available.
Nyo, hindi na
Very
matuloy.
available.
Hindi. Tapos, words of affirmation. Tapos, acts of service. Kasi kaya kong gawin on my own lahat. Feeling
Okay,
ko.
very independent person. Okay.
Yes. So parang pag tumutulong siya sa akin, mas na-appreciate ko. Kasi nga parang, kaya ko naman to, ba't mo pa ako dito tulungan? Hindi, hayaan mo akong tulungan ka kasi andito naman na ako. Bakit kailangan mo pang gawin yun mag-isa? Parang
Wow.
ganon.
Wow, that's deep. That's deep.
Gano'n ka-deep, sir? 5 feet ba yan? Malalim.
Nakakalunod na deep.
Okay. Tapos yun nga, quality time yung akin. Kahit na-enjoy ko rin yung company ko, iba pa rin kapag kasama mo yung loved ones mo.
Of course. Wag lang touch. Kasi sabi mo like, that's the least of your, one of the least.
Huwag ka nangingialam kasi, Sir EJ. And that's it, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to. Okay, go, Sir EJ.
So, are you the jealous type?
Oo. Sobra. Parang mabilis ako mag-selos.
Okay,
Totoo.
okay.
Totoo. As in,
Why
sobrang...
is that? Why?
Ewan ko kasi parang mabilis ako makakutob kasi minsan, Sir EJ. So
Oh,
parang
I see.
yung
Okay,
intuition
get it.
ko, I never go wrong. Pag may na-feel akong something, most likely totoo yun. Kaano-ano ko kasi si Madam Auring.
Ay, naman.
Parang magkadugo ata kami sa intuition. So, ikaw, Sir EJ, siloso ka. Siloso is ikaw?
Narinig ko, piloso po. I don't think so. Kasi with the relationship that I currently have, I trust her.
Yeah.
That's why I don't think I'm the jealous type.
Yeah, and I think pag nagmamature talaga yung relationship, yung trust talaga, yun yung nagpapatanggal ng selos.
Agree.
Okay, ito medyo deep naman to, Sir EJ. Do you think sports changed your life?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
And I just want to say thank you and congratulations, Sir EJ, for representing the country. Grabe. Parang hindi natin ina-expect na a Filipino can do such things. Ang galing-galing
We can
Sir
do a lot
EJ.
of things, yeah.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Parang
Thank
hindi
you.
kasi siya na may mainstream eh. Kumbaga yung mga pole vaulting, gymnast, di ba? Hindi talaga siya
yeah.
mainstream. And kakatuwa lang na, ay, ang dami palang kayang gawin ng mga Pilipino.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you, Sir EJ, for representing the country.
I appreciate it.
And thank you for being here.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Ay, naman ang hilig
Ako
sa
na,
pleasure.
patay.
Go, Sir EJ. Okay. So ever since yung child ka, it's really your dream to be a vaulter.
Not exactly. Baka. Okay.
Oh, yan ah.
Kaya pag naglano naman siya, sabi ko bayaran ko.
Ayan ah. So ano dream mo before?
As a kid, kasi I just wanted to get an education. I didn't think I'll be in this level. I wanted to jump over 5 meters. That's it. Like that would be the goal of my career. Here we are, 1 meter later. Like it's been one hell of a journey. Achieved things that I never thought I would. Yeah, I'm very lucky to have experienced all the things that I've experienced. Kaya sabi ko, like, it's an easy question for me to answer. It really truly did change my life. You see, I wouldn't have met you.
Ala, parang #1 ko yata words of affirmation, Sir
Patay
EJ.
tayo.
And then, thank you, Sir
Yeah.
EJ. Congratulations,
Oh,
nakakatuwa. And I hope I can represent the country as well. Yeah.
It's never too late. You wanna try pole vault?
And actually, dati nung bata ako, yung sa Milo na pakete, alam mo yun, Sir EJ? Ang parati kong wini-wish na makuha ko, yung nag-gymnast.
Oh, okay.
What's her name? Basta yung si Bella. Ay, oo, si Bella Hadid.
Bella Hadid.
Sa Chinese garter lang ako gumaling talaga, Sir EJ.
We'll push for that, no? Let's
Yes.
get the NSA for Chinese guys.
Ala, pa din, Sir EJ. Ala. Mukhang delikado na naman ako.
So, what's your lifelong dream?
Parang gusto ko lang maging housewife talaga, Sir EJ.
Okay.
Diyan naman, bakit? Ito parang ayaw maniwala. Gusto ko lang maging housewife! Sabi niya, ba't ka mag-housewife? Eh, lalaki ka. Husband ka dapat. Hindi. Parang gusto ko lang siguro, hindi, actually, parang hindi ko rin kaya na maging housewife. Ano man lifelong dream ko? To be happy.
Nice. That's good. That's a really good answer.
Yeah.
Pag nagsinungaling ka, lagot.
Pag nagsinungaling ka, ibig sabihin, ang lifelong mo ay to be sad.
To be sad. That's the first.
Sakit!
Ang lakas din natak niya.
Kasi ang happiness dati, binibase ko siya sa mga bagay na nakukuha ko sa AJ. Like, kumari, if nakuha ko tong goal na to, masaya ako, ganyan. Pero ngayon, as nagmamature na rin ako, gusto ko i-practice yung sarili ko na to find happiness in just simple things.
Okay.
Yeah. So, I think yun yung learnings ko habang gumaganto ako. And then, yun yung learnings ko as tumatanda ako, Sir EJ. Yeah.
I agree with that.
Totoo naman. Sir EJ, ito. Ito ay dito galing sa akin na, galing to sa audience. May chance ba tayo?
As a friend, for sure. I'm already in.
Ay, sorry.
Already friend.
Na makakabasag pa ka. Makakabasag pa. Hindi, oo naman. As a tropa, bakit hindi?
Yeah, for sure.
Yes.
I think you're very fun. Like,
Aww.
no kidding. Like, I love your energy and your genuine expression of yourself. And I love it. I love it.
Thank you,
I'm a
Sir
fan.
EJ.
I'm a fan.
Oh, lalo na ako. I'm an aircon.
Don't fail me.
Okay.
Don't need the air fail me.
Okay. Yan.
Kabayaran to, ha?
Hindi. Solid yan, Karen.
Okay. Okay, let's go!
Tropa. Ayan. Pero ayun nga, parang lahat ng mga tao, parang totropahin lang daw ako talaga.
You'll find your one. You'll find it. Don't worry.
Oo naman. No rush.
No rush.
No.
Hey,
28 na ako sa AJ. Kailan ka ba nagka-jowa? Anong edad ka nun?
late rin. Mama ko kasi. Hindi nga ako pinapunta ng prom eh.
Ay, bakit tita? Bakit naman?
May competition, may flight kami the next day.
Ah, okay. As in, nag-compete ka na po
Yeah.
noon. Grabe naman. For the hot question, lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Lights on. Ah, tapang mo talaga. Sir
Sabi
AJ.
mo kanina, lights on pagkakain, di ba? So,
Pag kumakain ka sa AJ. Okay, lights on. Tama. Tama, parang kitang-kita mo lahat. Chicken, rice.
kasi baka mamaya pinagdadasal mo na may itlog ng ipis yung asin ko.
Lights off ka, Sir EJ.
Dumbfounded.
Ano ka ba? Open-minded kami dito.
Okay.
Lights on, lights off. Tanggap ka namin, Sir EJ.
Ikaw?
Ako, dim light. Kasi mahilig ako sa dim sum.
Dim sum, okay, sir.
Ayan.
Okay. So, dim sum.
Dim sum kasi
Okay.
di napansin ko, pang pangmayaman na restaurant, medyo mabubulag ka talaga. Wala ka nang makita, Sir EJ. Mga dim
Dahil
light.
maraming ilaw?
Walang ilaw, like dimmed.
Okay.
Dim, gano'n.
Bakit kaya? Bakit ganun?
Para hindi mo na mapansin kung anong kinakain mo. Basta
Okay,
pagkabayad mo, kain ka na ng kain. Okay, Sir EJ. Ito. For our last question, ask anything to me that can be answered by a yes or no.
Okay. Do you think the whole interview, was it fun for you? Yes or no?
Ako, very, very fun. Kasi ako, Sir EJ, hindi ko lang pinapakita sa'yo. Pero kinakabahan talaga ako, Sir EJ. And I'm just so honored na sinamahan mo ako sa vlog natin, Sir EJ.
Come on.
Dito
Okay.
naman ako. Anong come on?
Come on.
Ano ba? Okay, come on. Sabi niya, come on, taga dun ba ako? Hindi ko naman na. Okay. Oo naman, Sir EJ. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako.
Nakalusot ka nun,
Nakalusot ka nun. EJ! Ano ka ba? May remote kasi ako dito. Yes. Hindi. Oo, sobrang happy ako na na-interview kita, Sir EJ.
Thank you. Really fun.
Ito, Sir EJ, sa'yo. Last na, para sa'yo. With my personality, nakita mo, Sir EJ, ang ganda ko sa personal. Mas maganda ako sa personal.
Yes, for sure.
Sir EJ. Di ba ka-jowa-jowa naman ako?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes daw, Yes yan.
Wag mo-
Hindi man para
don't-
sa'yo,
don't-
pero in
don't-
general.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. And it's not the physical, it's really the energy.
Parang sinabi mo naman, bakit ko, Sir EJ?
No, no.
Nag-dress
No, no,
ako
no.
dito, tapos sabihin mo, bakit ko? Nag-cutting classes nga ako para sa'yo.
What I'm saying, let me explain.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying is,
Di ka na.
your personality, for real, really outshines your beauty.
Okay.
Don't freaking fail me.
Yan Sir EJ Sige, sabi mo yan Nag-cutting classes ako. Sasabihin mo, it's not the beauty, it's the personality.
Oh, you see? That
It's
means
the
it's the beauty. That's a good recovery.
Other than that, Sir EJ, I'm just so happy na you're here. Thank you for accommodating me sa aming accommodation. Thank you, Sir EJ,
Thank you so much for having me.
May any plans ka ba?
September 15, we'll have a meet and greet
Saan?
in Ayala Malls, Manila Bay.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's right. We're gonna be in the activity center. There's gonna be a couple of programs.
May special guest.
Yes, there's a special guest
Okay.
there. I think everybody would love it. Everybody's welcome, I believe. Of course, first come, first serve. We have a limited amount of space, but yeah, I'd love to see everyone there. It's been a while. I think it'll be fun interaction.
Yes.
For sure.
Yay! Thank you.
Will you be there?
Ay, wala. Nagpa-practice ako ng gymnast ko nun.
Oh, nice.
May trip ako, may trip ako.
No problem.
Yeah, I'll be out of here.
Out
I'll be out of here. Hindi, opo. And thank you, Sir EJ,
Thank
for
you.
being here. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa vlog natin.
Yes, of course.
And sana kayo rin, guys, nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na ito. Kung meron kayong mga suggestion na mga pwede pa po namin gawin ni Sir EJ, opo, mag-comment po kayo dyan. And don't forget, I'm that girl, Mimi. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Thank you po. Thank you po.
What?
Thank you, Sir EJ!
Oh,
Saya!
hindi ko nakita.
Ang saya!
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Ayan.